Good afternoon, sir. This is our physics project. Here are the three objects we have. First, for the uneven object, we have a stapler. And then we have a ball, which is a uniform object, and the ruler, which is also another uniform object. Here are the things we will be using to measure them. First off, here is a meter rule. It can measure up to 100 cm, and it will be used for measuring the ruler. Next up is the vernier caliper. As you can see, it has no zero error. We will be using this to measure the ball. Lastly, there's a micrometer screw gauge. It will be used in measuring the thickness of the ruler. As you can see, it has no zero error. First off, we'll be using the vernier caliper to measure the diameter of the ball. As you can see, it is 16.4 mm long, which is 1.64 cm. Lastly, we'll be measuring the volume of the ball. The radius of the ball is 1.64 divided by 2, which is 0.82 cm. To calculate the volume of a sphere like the ball, it's 4 third pi r cubed times 0.82 cubed, which makes it 2.31 cm cubed when rounded off to 3 sig fig. Here we will be measuring the length of the ruler. As you can see, the ruler is 31.3 cm long. Here we'll be measuring the thickness of the ruler. We'll give it 3 clicks to ensure its accuracy. As you can see, the thickness of the ruler is 0.113 cm thick. Lastly, we'll be measuring the breadth of the ruler. As you can see, the breadth of the ruler is 2.99 cm. Next, we'll be calculating the volume of the ruler. First off, the length of the ruler is 31.3 cm. The height or the thickness of the ruler is 0.112 cm and the breadth is 2.99 cm. To find the volume, we need to get length times breadth times height, which is 31.3 times 0.112 times 2.99, which is 10.5 cm cubed, when rounded off to 3 significant figures.
Now, we would be measuring the volume of the stapler using the displacement method. We will be filling the Eureka can with water until the point where the funnel is located. After pouring away the excess water in the measuring cylinder, we drop the stapler into the can. After collecting the water in the cylinder, we place the cylinder on a flat surface and viewed the water level at eye level to reduce parallax error. The stapler measured 7 cm cubed. We repeated this process 3 times. The volume of the stapler is the average of the 3 tries, which is 7 cm cubed. Now, we will measure the weight of all the items. First, we resetted the weighing scale to make sure it starts at 0. We will measure the ruler first. Its mass is 13.5 grams. Now we measure the ball. Its mass is 2.2 grams. Lastly, the stapler. Its mass is 24.9 grams. The mass of the ball is 2.2 grams, the ruler is 13.5 grams, and the stapler is 24.9 grams. Density equals to mass over volume. Therefore, the density of the ball is 2.2 divided by 2.31, which gives you 0.952. Density of the ruler is 13.5 divided by 10.5, which gives you 1.29. Density of the stapler is 24.9 divided by 7, which gives you 3.56.